6 a.m. and we just took our first flight from Punta Arenas to Santiago, and now we still have 7 hours until our next flight leaves, the big flight going from Santiago to Sydney.
Wow, we made it to Sydney. We are in Australia. It is crazy. The border and the customs and the immigration quarantine, everything was super easy.
Yeah.
They just asked us 2 questions and that was it. So
didn't open anything.
Yeah, really cool. And now we've already set up Louisa's bike. It's completely done. And my bike is next. And yeah, we're hoping everything is okay. We're hoping the guitar is okay. We still have to unpack that later. And yeah, then we're starting Australia.
Yeah, very exciting.
Very exciting. And it's just such a cool feeling because really for the first time now in pretty much 2 years, it feels like we're actually getting a bit closer to home.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, even though we're still maybe even the farthest away from home we'll be on this journey, it's, I don't know, it just feels like a step really in the right direction, going west again and slowly getting closer.
In South America, we've been only going south and now west.
And yeah.
Crazy. Today is the big day. We are leaving Sydney and starting our journey across Australia. We spent a few days in Sydney exploring the city and the Blue Mountains, and now we're really excited to finally start cycling here. And leaving the city here, it's pretty relaxing because there are many cycle paths, and yeah, we don't have to cycle too much in traffic, and yeah, don't have to share the road with cars. It's really nice. But we still have to get used to cycling on the left side. This is the first country now for us with left-handed traffic. So yeah, that's something a bit awkward still for us.
So our first day cycling in Australia, well, real day cycling in Australia, isn't ending so well. My free hub just broke. I have no more, it doesn't lock in anymore, so I can't pedal anymore. Yeah, that's bad. But luckily we're only 2 kilometers from a train station, where the train goes to Wollongong on the Pacific coast. And yeah, then we can hopefully find a bike store there, and hopefully they can either fix the free hub or we need a completely new rear hub. Yeah, let's see. So we have been very lucky in an unlucky situation with the free hub braking, that we were still here in the region with some infrastructure and some bike shops, and our host where we're staying now, where we stayed last night and we'll also stay tonight, was super nice and drove us to several bike shops so we could try to get this fixed, but they couldn't fix it, so now we got a new complete rear hub. And yeah, now I'm gonna lace this into my rear wheel and hopefully tomorrow we can get going again. And yeah, pretty lucky that this didn't happen, I don't know, in a few weeks in the middle of nowhere.
Complicated first day cycling out of Sydney, and then yesterday one repair day. Today we left our host's place again and are now finally starting, hopefully, our adventure across Australia. So today we just want to cycle along the coast and then head inland, first towards Canberra, the capital of Australia, and then further to the west to Port Augusta. From there we're gonna cross the Nullarbor Plain, and once we reach Albany we plan to cycle the Mundabini Trail, which is a trail essentially going all the way to Perth, so that should be cool. Yeah, so now we're just hoping we won't have any more mechanical breakdowns.